So picture this, you're on TikTok watching incredible dance moves, but you accidentally follow a bunch of these amazing dancers. Now your following list looks like a dance party invitation. But the $1,000,000 question is that how you can hide the evidence of your weird dance obsession from your friends and family. It's time to solve this problem. Okay TikTok enthusiasts, let's dive into the hilarious world of TikTok privacy settings. It's like planning a top secret mission but with more dance moves, so let's get started. Okay, so first off, sneak over to your profile just like a ninja, and up on the right corner, click on the hamburger button and select Settings and Privacy. Okay, so we're getting closer to that secret passage. At this point, just click on Privacy and enter that section. This is where the magic happens, my fellow secret keepers. Tap on Who Can See Your Following List and change it to Only Me. By changing this option, no one else would be able to see your following list. Good job! From this moment on, your following list is as classified as a top secret mission. But wait a second. As a bonus tip, you can also change the option Liked Videos to Only Me so that no one can see the videos that you have liked. Congrats agents, you have completed the mission, and just like that, your following list and your liked list is safe. Thanks for joining us on this hilarious TikTok privacy adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and useful TikTok tips. Until next time, stay sneaky.